Hi, I'm Jared with more KSNN Math News you can use. Did you know the Earth has 24 different time zones?
Another Earth's day is 24 hours long. Is that why we have 24 zones of time?
Yes, the Earth is a sphere. It is divided into 360 degrees with longitude lines.
I remember those lines are drawn north to south.
The Earth turns 360 degrees in 24 hours. If you divide 360 degrees by 24 hours, it means the Earth turns 15 degrees in 1 hour.
So time zones are 15 degrees wide.
And that's why we have 24 time zones. A long time ago, cities set their time by the sun's location at noon. Two cities a few degrees apart would still have a different time. Today, these cities are in the same time zone. To learn more, visit our website. Until next time, I'm Jared with cool math news you can use.